Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Good. Thank you. Hey, just a quick question. I'm on your website trying to order a part for a Dorma. It's a DS1121. It's a Breakout, the one that attaches to the header. And I'm not sure how, different companies have different terminology when it comes to handing on doors. So from the outside, I have the left door that's broken. So would that be considered your right hand, or would that be your left hand?
Well, I would call that a right hand.
So would I. Okay. Some people call it a right hand reverse or left hand reverse, and that's why. So okay. Yeah, makes sense.
The bottom line is there's only one correct way to do it. It's the way the manufacturer would call it. So when you look at our site, though, the images are there of the actual items.
Oh, okay, that's the way it is. Okay, perfect. Well, you know what? My guy took it off and took a picture of it. So that's kind of the problem. All right, I'll get this figured out. And okay, that's all I needed to know. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Get that image, forward it to us, and I'll tell you what it is. So there's in 2020 there ain't no reason to have any guesswork involved.
Correct. No, I ain't trying to guess. All right,
yes, sir.
Perfect. Thank you very much, and I will get this. I'll get this thing ordered.
Thank you, sir.
You have a good day. Appreciate it.
You too. Bye.
Architectural Builder Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.